Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to break down how I literally print hundreds of thousands of dollars in the meme coin market without staring at a single meme coin chart all day. Look, I literally gave up on trying to trade these meme coins and getting dumped on every single time. Instead, I completely switched over to deving and launching my own projects. Bro, that one pivot alone has printed me way more profits than I ever made trading. And honestly, for a lot of you guys, deving is going to be way more profitable too. That's exactly why I had to drop this video for you, bro. Let's dive right into it. Look at this, bro. Literally $9 million sitting right here in my Phantom wallet. And listen, this wasn't from getting lucky or running some crazy trading bots. This entire bag came from strategically launching my own meme coins. In today's video, I'm gonna hand you the exact blueprint so you can do it too, bro. Most guys out here aren't losing money because they don't know what they're doing. They're losing because they are trying to trade the market instead of being the dev. You throw money at a token expecting a massive pump, and then out of nowhere, bro, bang, the creator dumps the chart. That is the exact reason massive traders like RNG and Cupsy are leaving the trading game entirely to just launch coins. Because honestly, bro, every time you try to trade these meme coins, you're just making the dev rich instead of yourself. The reality here is that these creators are printing insane amounts of cash, bro. We need to stop feeding them and literally become the dev ourselves. Think about it. It's insanely low risk with massive upside potential. Plus, honestly, bro, dropping your own meme coin is way more fun because you hold all the cards. You have 100% control to do whatever the fuck you want with the chart. Getting a coin live is actually super simple. Literally, all we do here is spot a trending narrative, deploy it through a specific tool, and just wait. Give it a few minutes, let that market cap absolutely pump, and then, bro, we take our profits and just do the exact same thing over again. This exact cycle has literally printed me hundreds of thousands of dollars overall. I'm personally pulling in anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 every single day doing this. All right, so how do you actually pick a killer narrative for your coin? Look, the profits you make depend 100% on the idea you choose. If you deploy a bad idea, nobody is going to buy it, but if it's a banger, the market will ape in. That's obvious, right? So how do we hunt down these viral ideas? There are multiple ways to do it. The first and most popular way, bro, is just pulling up Deck Screener. You literally just hop on the trending tab, filter by 1 hour volume, and analyze exactly where the liquidity is rotating right now. Usually all these pumping tokens are following the exact same meta, right? So you just spot whatever theme is currently ripping and build your narrative around that. Now, this works insanely well, but the catch is, if you're a complete beginner, it's pretty hard to know if your specific spin on it will actually go viral. Because of that, bro, I usually only recommend manual deck screener hunting once you have a bit more screen time and experience launching. So the second method is, instead of racking your brain for an original concept, bro, you just vamp a coin that's already catching a bid. But listen, do not use Deck Screener for this. You don't want to rip the massive coins. You want to snipe the ones that are just starting to trend but haven't blown up yet. That way, you know the narrative, but it's not so massive that everyone immediately spots your clone. You know what I mean? For this, you want to pull up trading terminals like Photon, BullX, or Axiom. Pick whatever you like, but I'll use Axiom right now. Head over to the Pools tab, hit the Migrated section, and clear your filters so you see the whole raw feed. Find a coin that looks primed, copy the token address, and drop it straight into explorer.solana.com. Hit the Metadata tab, grab that URI link, and open it. Look, I know this sounds complex, but just find the image link in the code, open it, and boom, you've got the exact original artwork. But let's be real, bro, doing all this manual digging is incredibly complicated and just way too much work. Thankfully, bro, there is a third way to get your coin idea, and honestly, I wouldn't even waste time doing all that manual soul scan digging. This third method is what I call social virality. Instead of copying charts, I just go straight to X, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. You literally just hunt for a viral meme to turn into your coin. It can be absolutely anything, bro. A viral tweet, some crazy political news, or a massive TikTok trend. Just look at that City Boy meme recently. That exact narrative literally exploded into a $150 million runner. You just hijack that viral attention and boom, your idea is ready. So that takes us right into the next step, which is actually launching the coin. When someone decides they want to drop their first meme coin, 98% of these guys immediately run straight to Pump.Fun. And look, yes, the platform has crazy volume, but bro, I highly recommend staying far away from it. Why? Go to Photon and filter the Pump.Fun. You can see a lot of coins launching every second. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. There are literally hundreds of tokens dropping non-stop, and the vast majority of them just die instantly. If you are still launching your coins there, bro, you aren't building a real strategy. You're literally just gambling and chasing luck. But here is the absolute worst part. Pump.Fun completely controls the liquidity pool, and they actually take a cut of your creator fees. Now, I personally prefer to launch on Raydium because you have way less competition and you have basically full control of your coin, right? So for example, when you launch on Pump.Fun controls your coin, not you. So you just become another buyer. You don't control anything on your coin. That's really bad because it limits a lot the amount of profit you can make, and also all of these platforms similar to Pump.Fun. Look, I actually have a way better method, bro. When you deploy your tokens directly on-chain using Solana tokenlabs.io, literally every single project you drop goes straight to Raydium instantly. It gets put right in front of all the active buyers immediately. This is the exact reason why all the top devs are gatekeeping Solana tokenlabs.io right now, because bro, you are completely bypassing that Pump.Fun bonding curve. You literally skip the entire line, launch directly onto Raydium, and get exposed to a massive pool of liquidity right off. First, I'll download the image of the meme from the internet, resize it in Canva to 500 by 500 pixels, and then head over to Solana tokenlabs.io to set everything up. Connect your wallet. You'll see a pop-up asking for authorization. Just hit confirm and you're in. Now we fill in the token details. I'm naming this one City Boy and shortening it to CB to keep it catchy. Upload the meme logo you're going to use. I already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. Click next and keep moving. When you reach the token settings page, don't change anything. It's already perfectly set up. You want the full 1 billion token supply and we'll need that later. For the description, you can write whatever you like. I'm putting City Boy in the city. Then just click, continue, and move on. Next, you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this. I always do. It's never caused any issues for my Raydium launches. Just turn off the toggle and continue. After that, it'll ask if you want to add creator info and a project website for 0.1 Sol. Honestly, not worth it. Toggle it off and save your Sol. Now comes one of the coolest parts, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which can help build early trust and hype. Just keep in mind that if you choose 4-letter endings like moon or pump, it can take around 20 minutes to update. If you don't want to wait, go with shorter endings like PM or MO and MP. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches, and this part is critical. Make sure all 3 stay on. If the revoke freeze is off, you can freeze trading, huge red flag. If revoke mint is off, you can mint unlimited tokens, another red flag. If the revoke update is off, you can change the contract anytime, massive red flag. Serious buyers check this immediately. If they see anything turned off, they're gone. So keep everything on and click create token. Your phantom wallet will pop up. Confirm the transaction. You might see a block warning. That's completely normal. Every single coin gets that at the beginning. Just click proceed, confirm you understand, and then hit confirm, and boom, the coin is officially live on the Solana network. Then click view token and it will automatically redirect you to the Solana Explorer. If I open my Phantom wallet right now, you can see the full 1 billion supply of our City Boy meme coin sitting there. You can also double check your token by just copying your token address and pasting it on SolScan, so you can see our token is minted. Now it's time to set up the liquidity pool. head back to solana-tokenlabs.io and copy your token address. At the top of the website, you'll see the Create Liquidity option. Click it and it will redirect you to Raydium. Make sure your wallet is connected. Then click Create and select Standard AMM from the pool options. Next, click the token selector and paste your token address into the Raydium search bar. Add your token details. For this demo, I'm using CB as the symbol and CityBoy as the name. Click Add User Token, then select it again from the list. Now we'll set up the liquidity. Out of the 1 billion total supply, we're going to provide 900 million tokens and pair them with Solana. Since you're the very first liquidity provider, you can safely max it out. Just make sure to subtract the 0.2 SOL fee first so you don't run into an error. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, double check all the details, and then click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Once you confirm the transaction, your liquidity pool goes live, and now your coin is officially tradable. If you head over to Photon and open the filter section, select Raydium, you'll see your coin right there at the top of the list. Now our token is actually live, and so it's time for the most important step, promoting the coin. This is how you're actually going to get buyers on your coin. So once again, for this step, you have a lot of options. You can use DEX screener ads. So basically your coin will show up in the top of this list on DEX screener. But the issue is I don't really recommend this in the beginning because if you're still just trying this for the first time, this can be very expensive costs. So the alternative is simply promoting the coin on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, all of those. You just go to those platforms and you post your coin. This works quite well, but it can get very annoying because you've got to spend a lot of time just posting and posting and posting. So to do this automatically, we can use this platform called Pump.Fun. It gives you instant exposure on DEX Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. First, connect your Phantom wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for approval. Just click connect. Now paste your token address, go back to Solana Token Labs, copy your token address, come back to promotememes.fun and paste it in. Next, choose your promotion package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Make sure to toggle include free website. This feature is exclusive to this platform. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'm using CityBoy as the name. And for the DEX, select Raydium, then hit confirm, click pay and promote. Your Phantom wallet will pop up again, approve the transaction, and that's it. Now just watch. It automatically creates a professional website and promotes your token to thousands of traders at the same time. Boom. Website ready. Within seconds, you've got a live landing page with tokenomics, real-time chart links, and everything investors need to check out your project. Now, let's switch back to the Photon dashboard and see what's happening to our chart in real time. Bro, are you seeing this? Literally seconds after the promo went live, the chart is going crazy. We're getting a bunch of buyers already. So many people are buying in right now. What the fuck? It's all green candles. What the hell? Look at the price action hitting $520, then $650 in seconds. Like what? Deving is way more profitable than trading, in my opinion. Dude, we made this coin with $0 and now look at the Photon dashboard. We're getting non-stop transactions. I'm checking the Phantom wallet now. All right, we've got about 15,000 US dollars in Solana sitting there as a baseline. The token balance is also very good. It's perfect time to exit the position. But now the most important part, how can we profit from this coin and how much will we profit from this coin? Well, it's super simple. Just go back to Raydium and click on portfolio at the top of the site. Here, you'll see your current position. And yeah, it's profit time. Click the minus symbol, then drag the slider all the way to 100% to remove everything. As you can see, we're sitting at around $18,000 in profit. Ignore everything else on the screen. Just focus on the SOL value. I'm about to receive roughly 210 SOL. Click remove liquidity and approve the transaction. And there it is. Confirmation received, funds secured. Let me open up my Phantom wallet for proof. Boom, you can see we just received around 211 SOL, which is about $18,000. It's right there in the wallet. Now you guys know exactly how to launch a meme coin the right way without getting wrecked. The whole game is just about sniping a strong viral meme and executing the deployment flawlessly. Just look at this. I only put up around 1.5 SOL for the initial setup, and we just pulled roughly $18,000 in straight profit, which equals about 211 SOL hitting the Phantom wallet. Bro, that is the absolute cheat code of catching the right narrative and sticking to the blueprint. If you actually follow these exact steps and stay smart about when you pull your liquidity, there is zero reason you can't be doing this too, bro. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to one person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word rug pull. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours. I'm announcing it on my Telegram channel. Make sure you follow, because without following, you won't be eligible to receive any SOL coins. I regularly post lots of giveaways there, so don't miss out.